students, warm welcome to this session. You are watching EduStar Class 5 Science Lesson 8 Rocks and Minerals Part 2. Dear children, have you listened this lesson part 1 video? We have learnt about rocks, minerals, types of minerals and their examples, uses of minerals and difference between rocks and minerals also. Now shall we recall that? What are rocks? Our earth is made up of rocks and soil. Rocks are made of minerals. Rocks and minerals are used for various purposes. What are rocks made up of? All rocks made up of naturally occurring substances called minerals. A rock contains one or more minerals. Rocks may contain a mixture of minerals in almost any proportion or may be composed of only one mineral. Rocks are divided into different types depending on the quality, quantity, and arrangement of minerals in them. What are minerals? All rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals are chemical substances that occur naturally on the earth. Minerals are natural substances present in rocks. What are the two types of minerals? Metallic mineral and non-metallic minerals. Examples for metallic mineral: gold, silver, iron, aluminium, calcium and copper are some examples of metallic minerals. Examples for non-metallic mineral: coal, petroleum, feldspar, mica and silicon are some examples of non-metallic minerals. Uses of metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are used for making jewelry, vehicles, utensils, coins, wires, etc. Iron, aluminium and copper are used for making utensils, coins, wires and machines. Silver, platinum and gold are used for making jewelry. Difference between rocks and minerals. Rocks. Rocks may contain plant and animal matter. Minerals. Minerals do not contain plant or animal matter. Rocks differ in color and shape. Minerals usually have a uniform color and shape. Rocks, they do not have crystals. Minerals, some of them have crystals and are usually pretty. Rocks, they can be made of more than one mineral. Minerals, they are pure and have a fixed composition. Okay dear children, today we are going to learn about the types of rocks and uses of rocks. Shall we see dears? Types of rocks. Rocks are formed over a period of 1,000 or more years. The action of wind and rain affects the formation of rocks. Some of them are formed due to breaking up of old rocks and some are formed due to hot lava or magma. Based on how they are formed, rocks can be classified into the following three types: sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks. First, we are going to learn about sedimentary rocks. Water, rain, and wind carry away pieces of rocks, mud, pebbles, gravel, and sand and deposit them elsewhere. That leads to the formation of layers. Such deposits are called sediments. Dear children, you can see many layers in this picture, isn't it? As more sediments pile on top of one another, the pressure of the upper layers hardens the lower layers, and with the passage of time, the hardened lower layer change into rocks. Such rocks are called sedimentary rocks. As running water flows down, it also carries small animals and plants along with it. These get buried with other sediments. In course of time, they form fossils. What do you mean fossils? Traces of animals or plants found in sedimentary rocks are called fossils. You can see an animal trace on the rock in this picture. This is called fossils. Dear children, shall I say once again about the sedimentary rocks? Water, wind, rain, and snow break away big rocks. The rock particles so formed are carried away by wind and flowing water into rivers, lakes, and seas. These rock particles settle at the bottom of the water bodies and form layers. The layers are cemented together by minerals. The repeated deposition of layers presses down the lower layers and then turns them into rocks. Such rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are also formed from the shells of sea creatures. About 75% of the rocks found on the surface of the earth are sedimentary rocks. Dear children, can you understand about the sedimentary rocks now? Okay, now we are going to see about some examples of sedimentary rocks. Examples of sedimentary rocks. We are going to see some kinds of sedimentary rocks such as conglomerate, sandstone and limestone, etc. Dear children, look at this picture. We can see different kinds of sedimentary rocks. Sandstone, conglomerate, shale, limestone, gypsum and fossiliferous malt, like that. First, we are going to see about sandstone. Sandstone. It is a soft stone made from particles of sand that get cemented together. That means this rock is formed when fine particles of sand are deposited close together. The most common mineral present in sandstone is quartz. Some kinds of sandstone are porous. Sandstones may be red, pink, brown or yellow in color. Famous monuments such as Red Fort in Delhi, Qutub Minar in Delhi and Agra Fort in Delhi. Students, next we are going to see about conglomerate. It is made from pebbles, gravel and boulders cemented together by minerals and sand. It is mostly grey or orange in color. It is used to polish ornaments and also as a decorative rock. It has a very uneven texture and is used in construction. Dear children, look at this picture. We can see that uneven texture of the stone, isn't it? Next example is shale. It is made from clay particles cemented together. It is used to make bricks and tiles. This rock is made up of clay that has hardened under heavy pressure to become rock. Shale is a soft rock that smells like wet mud. Next example is limestone. This is fine-grained, fairly soft rock made up of largely of a mineral called calcite. This mineral is present in shells and skeletons of sea animals. Glass, cement, and paint are made from limestone. It contains the mineral calcium and shells of sea creatures. Chalk, which we use in classrooms, is one form of limestone. Dear children, we have learnt about 3 types of rocks and sedimentary rocks with examples. Isn't it? We will see the remaining 2 types of rocks and examples in our next video session. Now we are going to write the classwork. Already we have written up 2 difference between rocks and minerals. You can continue the following. First you have to write types of rocks. There are 3 types of rocks. They are sedimentary rock, igneous rock, conglomerate rock. Next you have to write sedimentary rock. Water, rain and wind carry away pieces of rocks, mud, pebbles, gravel and sand and deposit them elsewhere. That leads to the formation of layers. Such deposits are called sedimentary rocks. Examples: sandstone, conglomerate, shale and limestone. Next you have to write about sandstone. This rock is formed when fine particles of sand are deposited close together. The most common mineral present in sandstone is quartz. Some kinds of sandstone are porous. Sandstones may be red, pink, brown or yellow in color. Examples: Red Fort, Qutub Minar and Agra Fort. Conglomerate. It is made from pebbles, gravel and boulders cemented together by minerals and sand. It is mostly grey or orange in color. Shale. It is made from clay particles cemented together. It is used to make bricks and tiles. Next, limestone. This is fine-grained, fairly soft rock made up of largely of a mineral called calcite. Glass, cement, chalk and paint are made from limestone. Okay dear children, write this classwork neatly. Already I told you that you have to send the photocopies after completing the full classwork for this lesson. It will be easy for correction. Still worksheet correction is going on, so that. Can you understand dears? Dear children, we came to the end of this session. We will meet soon in our next video session. Thank you dears.